We can generate videos on YouTube now, and let's try it out and see how well these new features work for us.
Yes. I'm also generated inside the YouTube app, and I can talk too. Want to try it too? Watch until the end.
Alright, first things first, make sure your YouTube app is updated from the Play Store. This feature is super new, so you won't see it if you're using an old version. Once you're updated, go ahead and open your YouTube app. Now, tap the plus button at the bottom to create a new video. On the top right corner, you'll see a little AI button. Yep, tap on that. Here, YouTube gives you 4 AI features you can play with: photo to video, video clips, images, and backgrounds. For now, I'm going to try the images feature. Just type in the prompt for the image you want to generate. You can also choose a style like vintage, anime, clay, and so on, but I'll skip that for now. Then hit create, and wait a few seconds. YouTube will give you 4 generated images. Pick the one you like. Now, technically, YouTube can already generate a video from this image right away, but you can't enter your own prompt yet. So what we're going to do is save the image first. Tap the 3 dots on the top right and choose Save to Device. Next, to generate the video, choose the Photo to Video feature. Upload the image you just saved. YouTube will automatically give you prompt suggestions based on your image. You can pick one or type in your own custom prompt. Hit send. Wait a moment. And boom, you've got your AI-generated video.
We can generate videos on YouTube now, and let's try it out and see how well these new features work for us.
You can use it for YouTube Shorts or just save it to your device for whatever you want. Crazy how fast AI is moving, right? If you want to stay ahead and try all these new features first, don't forget to follow. I've got more insane tutorials coming.